Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two power banks with a charging case, a charging base actually, that this brand sent to me for the video. I think this thing could be really good for content creators because the thing about this one is that you can get two 10,000 milliamps power banks ready on the go every single time, and you don't have to worry about like plugging them and just like getting them around the house or something like that. You can just leave this base plugged and just put them in, and they will be auto charging every single day. The other good thing about this one, before I show them to you in a close-up, is that these both support 15 watts fast charging. So for your devices, if you're constantly out filming or taking photos or doing video content, these things are going to support fast charging. And it also comes with cables in the actual power banks and more charging ports. Let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, the thing that I like about this one is that it charges via USB-C right here, and you can see that the display is actually showing how much battery they have left and how much they're charging. Super easy. You can see that you just put this metal part right here in this compartment, and they will be charging right away. You can see obviously the green light when they're charging, so that's another good thing about you just making sure that they're gonna be charging all day. And then right here you're gonna find the 10,000 milliamps. You're gonna find a Thunderbolt right here, not a Thunderbolt Lightning one, so you can actually charge your iOS devices, and also you can use it for your USB-C devices like your Android or the new iPhones as well. But that's not enough. You can actually find a USB-A port right here and another USB-C port right here, meaning that you can actually charge more devices in this 10,000 milliamps battery power bank, and you can actually charge devices with the cables and with the USB-C port and with the USB-A port that both are going to support the 15 watts fast charging capabilities. And of course, just having the display right here, letting you know that these are going to be charging all day, and you can just like get them ready for when you're going out and filming and doing photos or just like content creation, and having not one but two 10,000 milliamps batteries ready on the go power banks with fast charging capabilities. I like them. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.